Good morning, everyone. This is our class 6, and we had learnt about the chapter 2nd, how the dog found himself a new master. We know that the dog was previously his own master, but after that he had decided to get a master who can give him food and security. So that was the first part we had learned. Now in this chapter we will learn second part. Here you can see there is a bear and cows and a dog. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Here, seeing herd of cows, the bear also ran away. Now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in this part. Bear said that this part is lion's forest. We shouldn't come here. The lion, who is he? Don't you know? He is the strongest beast on the earth. Dog asked the lion, who is lion? Bear answered that the lion is the strongest beast on the earth. Well, then I will say goodbye to you, bear. Dog said, goodbye, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Dog said that I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. 8 number. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. And the dog went to the lion and said to him that, please make me your servant. The lion agreed to it. Lion was agreed. And the dog stayed with him and served him for a long, long time. The dog stayed with him and served him. Done service for a long, long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of. It was very good life because he was getting security, food, pleasure, etc. And he had nothing to complain. He had nothing to complain of. For there was no stronger feast in the forest than the lion, because at that time there was no stronger beast yani animal in the forest than the lion. And no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. And no one dared yani to be brave enough to do something. So there was no such a brave animal to touch the dog and or offend him in any way. 9. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs when all of a sudden the lion stopped. One day the lion and the dog were going side by side along with the path, and suddenly the lion was stopped. He gave a great roar. He gave a great roar means he made big sound. He made big sound and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such a force that a hole formed there. He struck his paw on land, that there was a big pit on the land. Then he began to back away very quietly, and he was began to run away, went back quickly, very quietly. Then he began to back away very quietly. What is it, master? What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. Dog was surprised and he asked, what is it? Any problem? I smell a man coming this way. The lion said, I can smell the fragrance or smell of man who is coming on this way. We would better run for it or will be in trouble. So we should better run away or we will be in trouble. Oh, well, then I will say goodbye to you. Then dog said, oh, then I will say goodbye to you. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Dog's only ambition was that he wanted the master who was stronger on the earth than anyone. 10 number. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. So, dog went to the man and joined him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago. Long ago, there are so many 1,000 years happened before it happened. But to this day, the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. And till that time, the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. Dog has no other master. So this was the story. This is the story about the dog's journey to join with mankind, to join with man. How did he join with man? And from long ago, about 10,000 years since about, the dog is serving us, mankind. So this was the story. This is completed. Here are some questions. You ponder on it. Goodbye.